Hi, I'm back again. Well, gonna take apart a couple of the 3-com Office Connect switches. Don't use them anymore. They're still functional, but yeah, more worth dead than alive. Tried to sell them, nobody wanted them. So these are switches, not good. Yeah, they are silent. They don't use up a lot of power. So in a home they were nice, but speed is limited and I've got plenty of other crap. So yeah, take them apart quickly. Well, this is ABS. This is a different type of plastic. So tear them apart. This one PE can PC can melt them into 3D filament. This is ABS plastic. Shred it, sell it as is, and yep, make some money out of it. One screw, very simple. Take them out. Probably 150 grams or 450 kilograms. So yeah, no big thing, no nothing. So yeah, not much to it, or not much in it, and some steel, scrap value about 12 cents to 17 cents a kilogram. But just for the fun of it. Another one, because I've got plenty of them, or had plenty of them. Warranty void if removed. Warranty just expired. Yep. Goes really fast this way. Pop it off. Separate plastics. Ooh, that one looks iffy. Plucking in grease. One screw goes into the screw pile. Yep, got a couple of kilograms of them already. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but probably separate the ferrous with the non-ferrous. Put a little bit of gold plating on it. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah, not really worth trying to extract it. So here's some gold in these sleds, some gold in this chip, some silver in the crystal, some copper and some silver in here, aluminium with some chemicals, some brass with chrome, gold plated brass pins, and that's it. So yeah, took them apart, going to scrap them, gonna make some money out of it and be friendly to the environment. Goodbye, ta-da.